NM cable, as outlined in the National Electrical Code, specifically Section 334.10 subsection regarding permitted uses, is generally approved for wiring, lighting, power, and control circuits, but with a critical restriction: it must be in dry locations. Section 334.12 details uses where NM cable is explicitly not permitted. These restrictions include: firstly, wet locations; secondly, exposure to corrosive vapors; thirdly, exposure to high temperatures; fourthly, use in commercial or industrial occupancies; and fifthly, hazardous classified locations. Electrical metallic tubing, or EMT, is a type of rigid metal conduit recognized for its role in protecting electrical wiring. However, it's important to note that EMT is not specifically listed or approved for use in conjunction with NM cable. Considering exterior installations, the outside of a single-family home is classified as a wet location according to electrical code standards. Given the prohibition of NM cable in wet locations as stated in 334.12, it follows that NM cable is not permitted to be installed inside EMT when the conduit is located in the exterior of a single-family dwelling. This interpretation is based on a strict adherence to the NEC guidelines. For installations in wet locations, such as the exterior of a dwelling, alternative types of cable are approved for use and can be installed in EMT for added protection. Among these approved alternatives are firstly, THWN, or thermoplastic heat-resistant nylon-coated wire; secondly, XHHW, which stands for cross-linked heat and moisture-resistant wire; and thirdly, UF cable, known as underground feeder cable, each designed to withstand the challenges of wet environments. Therefore, when planning electrical work, it is crucial to select wiring methods that comply with the NEC and are appropriate for the specific environmental conditions of the installation location to ensure safety and regulatory compliance.